Hey guys, this is Jahid from Apex Recipe. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to force a user to change his or her password. I have already done this job at my application. Step by step, I will show you that I have done. So let's see. I have done the correct password of this user and the application redirect to this change password page, not my home page. Let's try to change my password. My correct password was 12, but I have written 124. The new password 1414 and the 1414. Let's see. Is system wants me current password does not match. If I matched the current password and I have written the wrong at the new password, then system message wants me new password doesn't match to each other. Let's see what all I have done at this application. In home page, I have written branches at the before header section and redirect to the page number 2, and this is my page number 2, the change password page, and I have written a server side condition row returned, and I have checked is password changeable value. Yes. At page number 2 I have taken a region and then I have taken 3 page items. I have taken a cancel button to redirect the login page, and then I have taken a confirm button to submit this page. Then I have created 2 validations, one for validating the current password, that is my code, and one for the checking the new password and confirm password. And I have written this error message and display position is inline notification. Then I have written a process to update my authentication table. If user passes these validations, then authentication table would be updated, the password would be the given password, and is password changeable would be no. Then it will redirect to page number 1. Let's see the processes by inputting the correct value, and it's go to the home page. Let's see the table's value. It was my password and is password changeable was yes. Let's see now. Authentication table has successfully updated. You can change this value of this column by using DBMS scheduler or as you want. So guys, you can try this method to your application. If you face any problem, let me know through your comments, and subscribe this channel to get notification. Thank you for watching.